Okay, so ito na po yung last type ng variation, which is the combined variation, where z is equals to kx over y or k is equals to zy over x, where k is the constant of variation. So itong combined variation, ang pinag-combine dito is the direct and inverse. So sa example mamaya magigets nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. So let us have an example of combined variation. Okay, so if L varies directly, so kung natatandaan nyo yung sinabi ko, kapag may nakita kayo sa sentence na varies directly, that is direct variation. But be careful kasi nga sabi ko, sa combined variation, pinagsama yung direct and inverse. If L varies directly as M and inversely, ito na po yung inverse variation, pinagsama yung directly and inversely. So if L varies directly as M and inversely as N, and L is equals to 5 when M is equals to 2 and N is equals to 4, find L when M is equals to 3 and N is equals to 5. So kung babasahin nyo, nakakalito kasi ang daming if M ganito, ganyan. Pero let us solve it. So if L varies directly as M. So, write natin, L is equals to, don't forget the constant of variation, varies directly as M. So, kung tatandaan nyo, ito yung direct variation, but, and inversely as N. So, inversely, nasa baba yun. Inversely as N. Okay po. Now, let us plug in all the given values. L is equals to 5. So, let us write 5. Okay, so yung M ba may binigay? Ito, 2. So, 2 all over N. May binigay bang N? So, 4. Okay po. Now, so to find the value of K, let us apply the cross multiply. So, 5 times 4. Ito lang yung cross multiply. So, we have K 2 is equals to 5 times 4. That is 20. And then, let us divide by 2. Cancel. So, K is equals to 20 divides 2. That is 10. So, ito na po yung ating constant of variation. Now, let us write the equation of variation. So, L is equals to, copy the value of K, which is 10, M all over N. So, ang tawag po dito is the equation of variation. Okay po. Now, find L when M is equals to 3 and N is equals to 5. So now, papalitan na natin yung value. Yung M daw magiging 3. So write 3 all over N daw magiging 5. So L is equals to 10 times 3. What is 10 times 3? That is 30 all over 5. And 30 divides 5. That is positive positive 6. Ito na po yung final answer. So, next example para mas maintindihan nyo pa ang combined variation. Okay, next example. We have if Q varies directly as R, so direct variation yan. And inversely as S, so ito inverse variation naman. And Q is equals to 12 when R is equals to 8 and S is equals to 6, find Q when R is equals to 4 and S is 12. So now let us write it as the equation. If Q varies directly as R, so Q is equals to K R inversely as S. So inversely as S. Okay po. Now plug in the given values. Q is 12. So let's write Q is 12 and then copy the constant of variation. R, what is R? Binigay ba? 8. So 8 all over S. Binigay ba? Yes, 6. Now let us apply the cross multiply. So K8 is equals to 12 times 6. So that is 7. 32. Let us divide both sides by 8. Cancel. So, K is equals to 72 divides 8. So, that is 9. So, ito na po yung value ng constant of variation or K. Now, let us write the equation of variation. Now, Q is equals to K natin is 9. R all over S. So, ang tawag po natin dyan is the equation of variation. So, ito pong equation of variation, yan po yung gagamitin natin to find the next variable na hahanapin natin. Kunwari, find Q. So, ito na po yung gagamitin nating formula. So, find Q when R is equals to 4 and S is equals to 12. So, copy the Q kasi yan daw yung hahanapin natin. Is equals to 9. R is 4. So, binigay 4. Is equals to S daw is 12. Napalitan na yung values nila. So, Q is equals to 9 times 4. That is 36 all over 12. And then, divide. 36 divides 12. And that is positive 3. So, yan na po yung value ng Q. Ayan na po yung final answer. Okay po. So, ganyan lang po kadali ang combined variation. Ang pinagkaiba lang nito, pinag-combine yung dalawang type of variation. And what type of variation is that? That is direct and inverse variation. So, next topic natin all about exponents na siya. Thank you.